Greetings, dear friend. Today I wish to share with you how you can achieve anything you set your mind to. You might wonder if it's even possible to reach the goals you dream of. And the answer is yes. But not through chasing success, rather by understanding the nature of your mind and heart. The journey to success begins not with action, but with stillness. Before I became a monk, I was restless, constantly running after goals without understanding myself. The first lesson I learned was to pause. Sit quietly and ask yourself, what is it that truly matters to me? This moment of self-reflection is where the path to achievement begins. Success is not about doing more, but about knowing why you are doing it. Clarity of purpose is your guiding light. Imagine a ship without a destination. It will drift endlessly. When you know what you truly want, you find the strength to navigate any storm. Take a moment each morning to meditate. Focus on your breath and listen. In the silence, you will find your answer. Once you have your destination, do not leap. Take small, consistent steps. In the monastery, we did not build a temple in a day. We placed one stone, then another. Do not be overwhelmed by the size of your dreams. Instead, ask yourself, what is the one small thing I can do today to move forward? It is the tiny steps that lead to great transformations. Understand that the road to achievement is not a straight line. It is filled with twists, turns, and even dead ends. There were days when I doubted my path, but I learned that failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of it. Every mistake is a lesson, and every setback, a chance to grow. Treat failures as a wise teacher who shows you what does not work, so you can find what does. Now let me tell you about the importance of discipline. In the monastery, we wake before the sun rises every day, no matter how we feel. Consistency is the hidden key to mastery. Choose one habit that supports your goal and commit to it daily. It is not the intensity that matters, but the consistency. Ask yourself, what is one small habit that, if practiced every day, will bring me closer to my dream? Then do it, even when it's hard. One of the hardest lessons to learn is to let go of the outcome. We often measure our success by the end result, but true achievement lies in the effort, in the journey itself. I remember the long hours of meditation where the goal was not to reach enlightenment, but to simply be present. And in that presence, everything was achieved. Focus on the process, on the joy of every small victory, and let go of the need for immediate results. In doing so, you find peace and the strength to keep going. Above all, live mindfully. Each step you take, each breath, is a part of the journey. Do not be lost in the future, nor regretful of the past. The present moment is where your power lies. If you nurture this moment with attention, every moment that follows will be a reflection of your effort. Pause now, take a deep breath, and feel the air fill your lungs. This moment is enough. You are enough. Remember, my friend, achievement is not a destination, but a state of mind. It's about becoming the person you were meant to be. If this message resonated with you, share it with others, for we all walk this path together. And always keep in mind, the journey of 1,000 miles begins not with a step, but with a single breath. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your own journey to success. Let us learn and grow together.